Welcome to Read Happily Ever After channel. The Bird Catcher and the Blackbird. In a vast and beautiful woodland, a skilled bird catcher was diligently weaving an intricate device. His fingers moved swiftly as he intertwined thin ropes with great precision. A curious blackbird, perched on a nearby branch, observed the bird catcher's work with keen interest. "What are you creating?" the blackbird chirped. Without pausing his work, the bird catcher replied, "I am constructing a grand city, complete with magnificent buildings and towering spires." The blackbird's imagination soared at the thought of such a marvelous place. He envisioned streets bustling with birds, high towers reaching the sky, and a world filled with adventure. Noticing the blackbird's excitement, the bird catcher gently invited, "Would you like to visit my city? It is nearly complete." Eager to explore, the blackbird swooped down, landing within the so-called city. However, to his dismay, he quickly realized that it was not a city at all. It was a trap. The ropes twisted around him, binding him tightly. The harder he struggled, the more entangled he became. With a satisfied smile, the bird catcher carefully picked up the captured blackbird. Meanwhile, the blackbird deeply regretted allowing his curiosity to lead him into danger without caution. The end. For more educational videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.